How to create geo-referenced points grouped by description directly from the browser. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and easily using Viizor. The first step is to log in using your email address. This is a fast and secure process. Alright, once you're in your account, we're going to create a new project. Click on New Project, give it a name, and then browse for one or more point cloud files in LOS or LAZ format. Projects in Viizor can handle one or multiple point clouds simultaneously, which is ideal for monitoring earthworks and infrastructure projects. In the project panel, you will see the progress of the upload and transformation of your point cloud, so it can be handled almost instantly in Viizor. This process is done only once, and afterward the point clouds open in just a couple of seconds, saving you an immense amount of time. Alright, this is a photogrammetric survey carried out by our team with the purpose of being used as material for creating tutorials like this one. Now yes, let's create the points. To do this, we click on the Points tool and are prompted to enter a description. This allows Viizor to group the points by description, achieving great optimization in the creation, visualization, and export of points, making them ready to be used in other software such as Civil 3D. The created points will take their positional data from a real point in the original point cloud, thus guaranteeing the accuracy of the data collected using this method. By clicking on any point, you can quickly define its label. This is useful for dynamically visualizing elevation data or coordinates within the point cloud. Now we will create a new group of points, this time for the bases of the trees. Once again, we enter a description and click where each point corresponds. Viizor stands out for its easy navigation, and a productivity tip is to give it a couple of minutes for the points to load, so you can then work more comfortably. Alright, right-clicking on a point deletes it. Just that simple. Then, to create more points, you only need to activate the tool and choose the description of the group you want to add points to. This makes Viizor an extremely agile tool for this type of task, which in other software takes a long time to learn and even more time to use. We'd really love to hear your opinion. Leave us a comment and tell us what you think of this tool and how you think we could improve it. Alright, by repeating this process we can create groups of points for anything that is of interest in the survey. In this example we will limit ourselves to these two groups, but Viizor allows you to create unlimited groups and points. Now we'll see how to export these points and have them available in TXT point format. We simply click the Export button, and text files are downloaded, named after the point descriptions and their codes. This is extremely useful for later importing the points into other software or, as we'll see, importing them back into Viizor. To show you how to import the point files, we refresh the page. This way, the points that were in the point cloud have disappeared. Now you can see how quickly the point cloud becomes available to work with again. Alright, among the different import options available in Viizor, we'll choose points. This will allow us to select the file that contains the points we want to import. A preview of the selected file's data is displayed, where we define what each column corresponds to. In this case, the first column corresponds to the point number, the second to the easting value, the third to the northing value, the fourth to the elevation value, and the fifth to the description, all separated by commas. We can see that the points are immediately imported into the point cloud. These are dynamic entities exactly the same as those created manually. We can move them, delete them, and even change their group by modifying their description. Now we repeat the process, but this time to import the points for the bases of the trees. Again, we select the text file that contains the data, then assign the corresponding value to each column, and just like that, the points are once again available in the viewer. It goes without saying that these text files can be imported into Civil 3D in the same way we would with files coming from a total station or a GNSS device. Now, with Viizor, you can carry out complete surveys entirely from the office. We would love to know what you think of this tool. Visit Viizor today and try out this feature. Thank you.